Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your tasks on Google Calendar apps. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps, and then in here you can click on the three lines icon. Make sure the text has been checked like this, and then you can go back, and in here you can see many tasks on your calendar. So that's how to view your tasks on Google Calendar. You can also find on complete tasks in Google Calendar a list of all pending tasks from the last 13 days can be found in the current day. So that's how to view your tasks on Google Calendar apps, and I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy video content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.